Hello, my dear students, grade 3, our lesson today, lesson 90. Our learning goal for today is to apply your understand of fractions to real world problems. You have learned how to add, subtract, and compare fractions, and today you will be doing all three to solve story problem. Open your book page 107, multiply or divide to find the missing number in each triangle. The first one is done for you. These two factors, what times 9 equals 81. By keep time table, 9 times 9 equals 81. What times 10 equals 60? 6 times 10 equals 60. 7 times what equals 28? 7 times 4. By keep timetable. What times 12 equals 30? 6. 3 times 12 equals 36. What times 8 equals 56? 7 times 8 equals 56. Next page. Create two complete fact families in the triangle blue. Change any two factors. For example, 4 times 9 equals what? 4 times 9 equals 36. And 6 times what equals 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. Next page. Solve the story problems blue. You may show your thinking in words, numbers, and pictures. Number 1. Muhammad ate sixes of his sandwich and ate snake time and 2 sixes of his sandwich at lunch. How much of his How much of his sandwich did he eat in all? The first 8 sixes, 8 in all. So we must addition or adding sixes plus 2 sixes equals what? Write 6 in denominator because the same number and add the 2 number in numerator. 1 plus 2 equals 3. By using pictures, draw two bar of sandwich divided into 6 equal parts. He eats one sixth first, so shaded of one part, and divided the second part into six equal parts, and he eats two sixths of sandwich, so he eats this. Each part is sixes and two parts is two sixes. So he eats three parts of sixes of sandwich. Number two, Omar brought two-fourths of a candy bar to the playground. He gave fourth of it to a friend. How much does he have left? First, write the first fraction and draw two bars of candy and divide it into four equal parts. First bar candy shaded of two parts, and the second bar shaded of one part. He has left must be subtract. Two forces subtract force equal what? This bar of candy shaded of two bars shaded of two parts, and he gives one part of it to a friend. He has left this one part. So write 4 in denominator and 2 minus 1 in numerator equals 1. This part is force. Number 3, Maha and Nagy baked cakes that were the same size. Maha gave three-fourths of her cake to her class. Nagy gave half of his cake to his class. Which class received more cake? Maha class or Nagy class? First, draw of two cakes the same size and divided the first cake into four equal parts and the second cake divided into two equal parts. Maha gave 3/4 of her cake to her class, so we shaded three parts and Nagy gave half of his cake to his class, so shaded off one part. Which class received more cake? Now, if we divide this part into two equal parts, we note that each part and this equals force, and this part equals force. So two forces equals one half. First take these two parts equals two forces, and this part force, so the all shaded part equals three forces. So three forces more than two forces. Three forces more than two forces. Number 4, the juice container at Farida is house was 5 sixes full. Farida drank 5 sixes of the juice. How much juice was left in the container? First, draw the two bottles of drink the same size and divide it into 6 equal parts. Farida's house was 5 sixes full, so shed of 5 parts and Farida drank 5 sixes of the juice. She drank 5 sixes of the juice. How much juice was left in the container? First, 5 sixes, subtract 5 sixes. The full of bottle, 5 sixes, and she drank 5 fifths. 5 sixes. So we subtract 5 sixes of 5 sixes. We must write 6 in denominator, and 5 minus 5 equals 0. Number 5, yesterday Marwan ran 2/8 of kilometers and then stopped to drink some water. After his water break, he ran another 2/8 of kilometer. What fraction of kilometer did Marwan run yesterday? First, 2/8 plus 2/8 equals what? We represent two fractions in number line. 0, here 1, divided into 8 equal parts. From here, 0, 8, and here 8, and here 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8, 6 8, 7 8, and 8 8, all 1. From 0 to 1, this 1 part. From 1 to 8, this 1 part. So from 0 to 1, this to 8, to 8, and from 2 to 4 8, this to 8. How many kilometers did Marwan run yesterday? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 over 8 plus 2 over 8 equals 4 over 8. Number 6. Wagzi, how it is 2/3 of a kilometer from school. Taha is house is third of kilometer from school. How live close to school? First, draw number line. Start from 0 and end 1. Divided into 3 equal parts. The fraction of here 1/3 and 2/3 and 3/3. Wagdi house is 2/3 of a kilometer of a school. This school count from right this 2 forces. The place of this part is third, and from 2 to 1/3 is this part is third. So the house of Wagzi, this house Wagzi, and this, or in here, the house of Taha. Who lives close to school? The Taha closed to school. Taha close to school. Next page, write your own fraction, addition or subtraction story problem. In the first book, don't solve the problem. Malak has 1 meter of fabric. She used 3/4 meter to make secret. How much of the meter of fabric is left? Solve your partner's problem. Show your work in the box blue. Malak has 1 meter, so 1 meter, and she used 3/4. 3 forces. So 1 meter equal 4 forces. 1 meter equal 4 forces. 4 forces. Subtract 3 forces equals force meter. This 1 meter divided into 4 equal parts. She used 3 forces, so shaded of 3 of vertex. Then the length of meter is this part is force meter.